Because then you're putting too much tension on your triceps. You want to do for chest, when you're doing it today, if you want to lean as far as you can and be able to come right about here and push down. Because all tension on the chest. That's why you don't really pay attention to people that just always focus on range of motion. You gotta go all the way down. You gotta go all the way up. It is. Stop listening to a lot of that. There's a time and place for different types of workouts when you want to hit different type of muscles. It's something that people have been brainwashed to think, but it's not a bad thing. But you can't be one-dimensional when you're trying to shape your body. You can't be one-dimensional. Think outside the box. You feel me? Let's get these hamstrings. Nice and smooth. Pulling. The whole thing is I don't want to feel nothing in my back really. I want to feel them hamstrings. So nice and smooth. Pushing. Push. Let's get 2 more. 1 and 2. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. How y'all feeling? Give me that like as y'all coming through, man. Really appreciate it. We almost there. 21 likes. Come on, y'all. We're getting to 50. We're getting to 50 on YouTube. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hey, D1 Wonder Man. Appreciate you for following, boss. It means a lot. We need 10K likes on here, man. F Omar 9999. Appreciate it, boss. You say half push-ups do 100 is better than 25 pushes perfect range. F Omar. Let me know if that makes sense to you. F Omar 999. When you're doing a push-up, what are you primarily trying to work on, Omar 999? What are you trying to work on when you're doing push-ups? You let me know. Answer that question, and I'll help you with your question. Xavier G77 slower. I don't get it, but appreciate you coming through, boss. Let me know, Omar. Seems like we gotta talk a little bit because people still not understanding. Working the body out into failure. No, Omar. Omar, that's not what I asked you. I'm gonna repeat it again. When you're doing your push-up, what are you trying to work out on? What muscles are you trying to work when you're doing your push-up? What are you trying to work? Let's see. Stardust 528. Really appreciate that chat, bros. Hey, appreciate that coming through. Give me that salute. Your back is rounding. Yeah, our back's round, but I appreciate you, boss. It doesn't make any sense, but I appreciate you coming through and supporting the channel, boss. Shoulders, chest, and arms. Okay. You're right. You do those are the muscles that you're trying to work. So now, since you answer that, when you're doing your push-up, are you you're working those 3? But do you make a workout where you want to improve all 3 of them every single exercise, or you want to pinpoint one of those muscles when you're doing certain exercises? So I'll break it down. Meaning that if you want to go in for chest and maybe back day or something like that, are you going to the gym because you want to work that push-up and you want to work just the chest? Or when you're doing your push-up, you want to work your triceps, shoulders, and chest? It's not a trick question. I just want to know. Appreciate it. Stardust coming through. Stardust is coming through on YouTube and supporting, boss. The more you comment, the more it pushes the live out to the algorithm, boss. Appreciate you, Stardust. Hey, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna go to the door. Hey, Omar, this is good back and forth. Really appreciate it. Yo, I gotta go grab my dog food. But hold on a quick second, y'all. I'm gonna grab this dog food. Hold on. See, I know y'all can hear me. Oh yeah, we got you, Teddy. Got you, boss. I got you, man. I got you something to eat, man. Hit that like, man. Hit that like. I'm just grabbing the dog food, y'all. Grab the dog food. Hold on. We gotta go again.